love, peace, and chicken grease. Yes, 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 yes. I was talking to John Pierre the other day. John Pierre told me singing from the nose is the most unpleasant sound to the ear. I said, John Pierre, you are wrong. And just to prove you that, I'm gonna write a song singing from the nose.
LSD trip, looking for a deep meaning. Realize everything around me is breathing. Made me cry, had to write all of this down. Come around, and away we go to a place heaven made for the red people. Feeling blue in the mood for a sit down. Talk to me, would you please, Mr. Take it easy. Always calm, false alarm, never seem too needy. Wish I had all your swag, I wanna be down. But I'm not, I am just slightly local. People say every day when they hear my vocal, they don't think confidence, it sounds down.
I wanna bomb away. Let me bomb away now. I wanna bomb away now. Let me bomb away now.
Met a girl wearing pearls and she thinks I'm sexy. Coffee shop, naughty broad from the day she met me. Restroom, head soon cause she went down. Mary Jane on an Easter Sunday. In the rain I will dance while I'm drinking Bombay. Wearing shades, gotta live before they put me down. Crazy me, I believe life is about a movie where we all gonna fall for somebody truly. Hope you got what you wanted on your way down. Before I go way below on the third dimension, share with me all the needs that you never mentioned to anyone, then have fun, let's get down.
I wanna bomb away. Let me bomb away now. I wanna bomb away now. Let me bomb away now.
Love, peace, and chicken grease. Bomb away.